winds also strengthening along the coast, especially at the Pacifica Pier. That's where we find ABC 7 News anchor Dion Lim with the latest on the conditions there right now. Dion.
Julian, it is raw, it is wet, yes, and in fact, it feels as though the rain is falling sideways because of the wind. In fact, this is why my photographer Edward is going to be periodically using a towel to wipe off the lens because it is so incredibly wet out here. Now, earlier today, the winds were the big story. We saw them gust up to 60 miles an hour, so much so that even the birds in the sky along the beach had a difficult time flying. I spoke to the Department of Public Works along with members of the fire department who tell me they have extra crews deployed driving around just in case they see downed branches and downed power lines. In fact, one of those trucks from DPW just filled to the brim with debris from the roadways. We also saw down the pier not a lot of people out and about, but along the Taco Bell, the most beautiful one, at least that's what they say, in the country, on the beach, all of the seating was about to fall over. That is how strong these whipping winds have been. Going into the neighborhoods, not only in Pacifica, but also along Montera, we saw a number of trees down, falling onto power lines, really becoming a threat to some of these homes. That saturated ground really soaking through. Back out here live, I want to give you an idea of just how high those winds are because you can see the surf is churning along the Pacifica Pier. Also, there are sandbags along the roadways trying to keep all of the signage down. We will continue to monitor the conditions, but I can tell you the good news is it appears to be much less severe than it was just a few hours ago. An update for you later on the news at 6. Live in Pacifica tonight, I'm Dion Lim, ABC 7 News.
Okay, Dion, thank you.